Get ready to explore the best 1000cc street motorcycles of 2025. In this countdown, we'll take a look at 7 incredible machines designed for speed, performance, and precision. But number 1, it stands out in a way you might not expect. Stay tuned to find out what makes it so unique. Number 7. Suzuki GSX-S 1000. The Suzuki GSX-S1000 redefines value in the 1000cc street motorcycle category. With its aggressively styled bodywork, sharp LED headlights, and muscular stance, this bike commands attention at every stoplight. At its heart lies a 999cc inline-4 engine derived from Suzuki's GSX-R superbike lineage, delivering 152 horsepower. This engine ensures thrilling acceleration and a refined power delivery, perfect for spirited rides or daily commuting. One of the standout features of the GSX-S1000 is its approachable handling. The lightweight chassis, paired with KYB suspension, ensures sharp cornering and a comfortable ride, whether you're carving mountain roads or cruising on the highway. Brembo front brakes provide excellent stopping power, and the 3-mode traction control system enhances rider confidence in various conditions. The bike also boasts a modern 5-inch TFT display, a quick shifter, and ride-by-wire throttle, bringing advanced technology into an affordable package. Its sporty ergonomics strike a balance between comfort and performance, appealing to both experienced and intermediate riders. At $11,900, the GSX-S1000 offers exceptional performance at a price point that undercuts many competitors. For riders who desire a potent, reliable, and stylish 1000cc street fighter without spending a fortune, the GSX-S1000 is a top contender. Suzuki has masterfully combined performance, technology, and affordability, making this motorcycle a worthy addition to any rider's garage. If you think you've seen the best, just wait until you see what's next. Number 6. BMW R129T. The BMW R129T is a celebration of heritage and innovation, blending retro aesthetics with modern engineering. Designed for riders who appreciate timeless beauty and advanced performance, this motorcycle is powered by a 1170cc air oil-cooled flat twin engine that delivers a smooth 109 horsepower. The engine's low-end torque and iconic boxer sound create an engaging riding experience, whether you're cruising city streets or exploring open highways. The R129T stands out with its handcrafted feel. Its minimalistic design, round LED headlight, and customizable bodywork make it a canvas for personal expression. High-quality components, including a robust steel frame and Brembo braking system, provide precise handling and exceptional stopping power. Technologically, the bike doesn't lag behind modern standards. It features rider aids such as ABS Pro, dynamic traction control, and multiple riding modes, ensuring safety without compromising the thrill. A new digital analog instrument cluster adds a touch of modern sophistication to its classic appeal. At $16,295, the R129T offers a premium package at a competitive price. Its versatility allows riders to tailor the bike to their preferences, from cafe racer styles to adventure-ready setups. BMW's commitment to craftsmanship is evident in every detail, making the R129T a perfect blend of form and function. Ideal for those who value individuality and quality, this motorcycle captures the essence of riding pleasure in a way few others can. Number 5. Kawasaki Z H2 SE. The Kawasaki Z H2 SE is a street bike that redefines power and innovation. With its supercharged 998cc inline-4 engine, it produces a jaw-dropping 197 horsepower, making it one of the most potent naked motorcycles on the planet. This incredible power delivery ensures exhilarating performance, whether you're darting through city streets or dominating the open road. What sets the Z H2 SE apart is its high-tech engineering. Kawasaki's Showa Skyhook electronic suspension adapts to road conditions in real time, offering a smooth and controlled ride. Paired with Brembo Stylema brakes, this bike ensures precise handling and supreme stopping power. Its lightweight trellis frame complements the engine's performance, delivering agility without compromising stability. Aesthetically, the Z H2 SE is aggressive and futuristic, featuring sharp lines, LED lighting, and a muscular stance. Riders will also appreciate its advanced electronics, including multiple riding modes, traction control, and cornering management systems. The 4.3-inch TFT display connects to Kawasaki's Rideology app, allowing customization and ride tracking. Priced at $21,700, the Z H2 SE represents cutting-edge engineering at a relatively accessible cost for a supercharged machine. This motorcycle is perfect for adrenaline junkies who want unrelenting power, coupled with state-of-the-art comfort and safety features. Number 4. Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RS. The Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RS is the ultimate street fighter, combining raw performance with refined engineering. At its core is a 1160cc inline-3 engine, producing a staggering 180 horsepower and 128 newton-meters of torque. This powerhouse delivers an explosive yet smooth power curve, making every ride exhilarating. The signature triple-engine sound adds an emotional connection to the experience, making it uniquely Triumph. The bike's lightweight aluminum chassis and sharp steering geometry make it incredibly agile and precise in corners. The fully adjustable Öhlins suspension ensures optimal handling and comfort, whether you're tearing up the track or cruising through the city. Braking is top-notch thanks to Brembo-style McCalipers and twin front discs, offering confidence-inspiring stopping power. Triumph has equipped the Speed Triple 1200 RS with cutting-edge tech, including a 5-inch TFT display, advanced rider modes, cornering ABS, and traction control. It also features a quick shifter for clutchless gear changes, enhancing performance and convenience. Priced at $20,000, the Speed Triple 1200 RS offers a premium riding experience at a competitive price. Its aggressive design, with clean lines and a minimalist rear end, exudes a commanding presence. This motorcycle is for riders who crave thrilling performance, precision engineering, and standout style. The Speed Triple 1200 RS is not just a machine, it's a statement of Triumph's legacy in creating world-class motorcycles that stir the soul. We're getting closer to number 1, and trust me, it's going to surprise you. Number 3. BMW M1000R. The BMW M1000R is a game-changer in the world of naked motorcycles, bringing track-level performance to the street. Powered by a 999cc inline-4 engine borrowed from the BMW S1000 RR Superbike, it produces a mind-blowing 205 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful naked bikes ever built. This isn't just about raw power. The M1000R is engineered for precision. Its carbon fiber winglets generate downforce, ensuring stability at high speeds. The lightweight chassis and electronically adjustable suspension enhance agility and control, making it just as capable in corners as on straights. Brembo brakes provide unmatched stopping performance, ensuring rider safety at all times. Aesthetically, the M1000R is a masterpiece, featuring a dynamic design with M-inspired colors and premium finishes. Its advanced electronic suite includes riding modes, launch control, wheelie control, and a 6.5-inch TFT display for unparalleled customization. The Akrapovic titanium exhaust not only reduces weight, but also delivers a thrilling exhaust note. Priced at $27,700, the M1000R offers exclusivity and performance that few bikes can match. This motorcycle is for riders who demand uncompromising power, precision, and prestige. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or tearing up a track day, the M1000R is built to deliver unforgettable experiences. Number 2. Ducati Streetfighter V4S. The Ducati Streetfighter V4S is a symphony of Italian design, performance, and emotion. At its core lies a 1103cc Desmosedici Stradale V4 engine, churning out a jaw-dropping 205 horsepower. This powerhouse, combined with its lightweight frame and cutting-edge aerodynamics, makes the Streetfighter V4S a thrill machine for both the street and the track. What truly sets this bike apart are its advanced electronics and precision handling. The V4S comes equipped with Ducati's latest Evio electronic suite, including cornering ABS, traction control, slide control, wheelie control, and a quick shifter. The bike also boasts Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 suspension, which dynamically adjusts to provide optimal comfort and performance in any condition. Its winglets are not just eye-catching, they also generate significant downforce, enhancing stability at high speeds. The design is unmistakably Ducati, with aggressive muscular lines, a sharp LED headlight, and a minimalist yet elegant finish. The 6.9-inch full-color TFT display is as intuitive as it is stylish, offering access to various riding modes and customization options. Priced at $29,300, the Streetfighter V4S is for riders who crave unparalleled performance, wrapped in premium Italian craftsmanship. It's a motorcycle that excites not only with its raw power, but also with its finesse and sophistication. From its thunderous exhaust note to its razor-sharp handling, the Streetfighter V4S is an emotional roller coaster on two wheels, leaving an unforgettable impression with every ride. Hold on, because the next one is something special. You won't want to miss it. Number 1. MV Agusta Rush. Finally, the wait is over. At number 1, we have the MV Agusta Rush, an absolute masterpiece that takes performance and style to the next level. The MV Agusta Rush is the epitome of exclusivity and raw, unbridled power. With an outrageous price tag of $53,000, this motorcycle is designed for connoisseurs who demand the absolute pinnacle of engineering and craftsmanship. Powered by a 998cc inline-4 engine, it produces an astonishing 208 horsepower, propelling it into hyper-naked territory. Its top speed exceeds 186 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest production naked bikes ever created. The Rush isn't just about performance, it's a work of art. The sculpted carbon fiber bodywork, intricate detailing, and turbine-inspired rear-wheel design make it a true masterpiece. Every element of this bike exudes sophistication, from its billet aluminum components to its hand-finished paintwork. MV Agusta has equipped the Rush with state-of-the-art features, including electronic suspension by Öhlins, a Brembo Stylema braking system, and a comprehensive electronics package. The 5.5-inch TFT display offers full connectivity, while advanced systems like traction control, launch control, and multiple riding modes ensure the bike remains manageable despite its immense power. The exclusivity of the Rush is reflected in its limited production numbers, making it a collector's dream. At $53,000, it's more than just a motorcycle. It's a statement of unparalleled taste and passion for the extraordinary. For those who dare to own this beast, the MV Agusta Rush promises an experience that transcends the boundaries of performance and luxury, redefining what it means to ride a motorcycle. Thanks for watching our Top 7 Best New 1000cc Street Motorcycles for 2025. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Keep riding.